Hello friends, welcome to my channel Simple and Smart. Hyundai Grandeur facelift has been unveiled for the South Korean market. Sits at the top of the brand's sedan lineup. Before we go ahead, please like, subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications of our upcoming videos. Hyundai has just revealed the facelift for the Grandeur premium executive sedan in the South Korean market. The model is Hyundai's flagship sedan in South Korea and was originally introduced back in 2016. For 2020, it comes with extensively reworked interior and exterior styling, which could point towards Hyundai's design language going forward. The most noticeable change on the facelift is the exterior styling, as the updated model sports a completely new front end, which has a large grille with an intricate diamond patterned design, along with new headlights and a redesigned front bumper. On the side, the sedan gets a sleeker silhouette and sits on new alloy wheels. The rear features fewer design changes and sports new tail lights connected by light bar, along with a restyled rear bumper. Coming to the interiors, the updated Grandeur comes with a new dashboard layout, with a digital instrument cluster and 12.3-inch infotainment screen taking center stage. Other changes to the interior include a new center console, repositioned AC vents, a new climate control touchscreen, a 12-speaker JBL sound system and a new steering wheel that looks similar to the unit in the new Sonata. On the mechanical front, Hyundai will offer the Grandeur with 4 powertrain options: a 2.5-liter, 4-cylinder petrol, a 2.4-liter petrol hybrid with a 38 kW electric motor, a 3.0-liter LPG-powered unit, and a 3.3-liter V6 petrol. So far, Hyundai hasn't made any statement regarding its plans to bring the updated Grandeur flagship sedan to the Indian market. However, the company has recently launched the Elantra facelift here at a starting price of Rs 15.89 Lakh ex-showroom, India. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family members. Thank you for watching.